Okay. So here 2005, 2006, 7, 8. So middle 2 years we get, and we cannot write any trend value in between 2 years. It represents particular year. So we have to write in front of particular year only here. So to avoid that, to make that average come in front of any particular year, we calculate 4-yearly moving average in 2 steps. First we calculate 4-yearly moving totals. Then in the second step we take 2-yearly moving total of that 4-yearly moving totals. So in 3 year and 5 year, just we are taking 3 years moving total and 5 years moving total, and directly we were calculating the average there. But here we don't take average directly in one step. First 4-yearly moving total, then 2-yearly moving total of the 4 years moving totals, then average. So 4 years, again 4 years. So 2 4 years total we add. Therefore, when we add 2 4 years, it becomes 8 years total. So here we have to divide the total by 8, or else 4 into 2 totals. So 8, 4 into 2, 8. So here we divide it by 8. So let us see this problem. Okay, we'll calculate here. So 10 years data is there. First we'll take 4-yearly moving total. Here 4-yearly moving total. First column. So here we take 4-yearly moving totals. So 4-yearly moving total, this total we will write in between 2 years. Remember? So first for 2005, 6, 7, 8. In between these 2 years we'll write 10 plus 12, 22 plus 15, 37 plus 12, 49. So this 49 will write in between 12 and 15, not in front of any year here. In between 2 years we write that total and leave the first value, then take next 4 years. 12 plus 15 plus 12 again plus 16, that is 55. 55 in front of 2007 and 8, in between these two values, 15 and 12. Next total, leave 12 now. 15 plus 12 plus 16 plus 20. So that is 63 in between 12 and 16. That is 2008 and 9. Next, leave 15 now. 12 plus 16 plus 20 plus 18. That is 66 in between 2009 and 10. Next, leave 12 now. 16 plus 20 plus 18 plus 15. So that is 25. Total 79 in between 2010 and 11. Next, leave 16, 20 plus 18 plus 25 plus 22. So that is 85. And next, leave 20, 18 plus 25 plus 22 plus 28. That is 93 in between 2012 and 13. Next, leave 18. We have only 3 values. So we don't have 4 values next. So here our points complete. So here first 2 years and the last 2 years are left blank. So we started writing in between 2 years now. So no total is in front of any particular year. So in the next step, we will try to make the total appear in front of a particular year. How? So that is, take a total of 2 years. So this we can also name this column as a centered 4-yearly moving total. Centered. So here or else 2-yearly moving total of previous column. Two-yearly moving total of previous column, that is this column. So we can also say that centered moving total. So first 49 plus 55, we get 104. So in between these two, that is 2007. So in front of 2007, we write 104. So in between these 2 points means here exactly in front of 2007, exactly in front of a year. Now total comes. Okay. So next 55 plus 63. 118 in front of 2008. Next 63 plus 66. 129 in front of 2009. And next 66 plus 79. 145. Then 79 plus 85. 164. Then last 85 plus 93, that is 181 in front of 2012. So again last 2 years and first 2 years are left blank here. So in the 5-yearly moving average, we got first 2 years and last 2 years empty, no average there. And in 4-yearly moving average also, first 2 years and last 2 years are kept blank or left blank. There no total or no average comes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 averages for 10 years we got. But this is not the average yet. This is 2-yearly moving total of 4-yearly moving totals. So 4 years total, 2 years total of these two. Or we 2 items total also. 2 items moving total also we can see there instead of 2 yearly. 2 items moving total of previous column. So here 4-year total plus 4 years total. So total it became 8 years total. So we divide it by 8. Remember, 4 into 2 is equal to 8. So every total we divide it by 8 now. Okay. Then we get 4-yearly moving average. Let us calculate one by one. So here, last column, 4-yearly moving average. So first one is 104 divided by 8. That is 13. So first 2 years are blank here. Remember, first 2 years are left blank here. Next 118 divided by 8. 14.7. Then 129 divided by 8. 16.13. Next 145 divided by 8. 18.13. Next 164 divided by 8. 20.5. And finally 181 divided by 8. 22.63. And the last 2 years are blank. So Remember, first 2 years, last 2 years are blank. Just in front of moving total, we have written the moving averages by dividing it the total by 8. So 104 divided by 8, 13. 118 divided by 8, 14.7. 129 by 8, 16.13. 145 by 8, 18.13. 164 divided by 8, 20.5. And 181 by 8, 22.625, that is 22.63. So this is how we calculate 4 yearly moving averages. Okay, and this question, 3 yearly moving average, 4 yearly moving average, and 5 yearly moving average. From these three, any one will come in examination. And how to get full 5 marks here? So the first way to get marks, how they allot the marks here. So first, for moving totals, the moving total should be in front of a particular year, in front of which year they appear. So it should be shown there. So you student, what you do? If people make a mistake here, somebody will start writing from here itself. 10 plus 12 plus 15 plus 12, so 49 here. So last 4 year you will left blank. So here marks, 1 marks is there for right total in front of a right year. If you start writing from first year itself, you will lose 1 marks there. So second, for calculating this, 2 marks. 2 marks for total, 2 marks for average, and 1 marks is for right appearance of the averages. So if you miss that sequence here, you will lose 1 marks. So it is very simple and easy. All 3 yearly, 4 yearly, 5 yearly. Only confusing one is 4 yearly moving average.